So yun, mga ka-organic Duterte supporter. Hindi kami naghahanap ng away. Pero pag kami ang puniputa-putang ina, pinapakyo-pakyo kami dito sa lugar na kung saan kami nakatira, ay hindi pwede yan. Mananagot talaga ang mananagot. Kasi walang ganyan dito sa amin. Duterte supporters kami. Pero pag inatake ninyo si Harry Roque, na siyang tumutulong sa amin dito para itaguyod, actually si Harry Roque, siya ang nagbibigay ng lakas sa amin para pumunta kami dito araw-araw. But if these people will just go here for one day, for a week or two, just to demoralize the movement of the PRRD movement, to free PRRD, to shout for Marcos resign, to call out publicly at Senator Amy Marcos to tell her incompetent brother Bongbong Marcos to resign. No, we will not allow that. And we have the police here. We have the police here, and we ask the police to remove the troublemakers, especially the Tio Moreno, which is hiding in the name of Tio Moreno, but his name is Alex Distor. He is a fucking bully, and I stand up for bully. Maybe he's bully, it's because he was very ugly before, and now he can afford plastic surgery, that he would bully a person like me na hindi sikat. No, I don't need to be sikat to be respected. I am here to support Rodrigo Roa Duterte, and fuck you siya kung sino siya. I don't even know him personally. So, yun, mag-aaway talaga kapag pinaparinggan kami ng mga putang ina. Who you? You don't even bring one grain of rice in our table. Who you? Sino ka? My family is always paying for close to 60,000 euros per year for tax. And then papakyo-pakyo mo lang kami dito sa ipapakyo-pakyo mo lang kami dito sa Netherlands. Excuse me. You have to know your limit. We are looking at you. Oh. Yeah.